Hi, hello, good day to everyone. Welcome to my cooking YouTube channel. I'm Shekinah Princess 82. In today's video, I will show you how to cook whole tomato rice with bacon. This one-pot whole tomato rice dish has been so epic and crazily circulated around on the internet. And maybe some of you shouldn't surprise at all. What intrigued you this time is that a whole tomato is going to be placed in a rice cooker or in a pot to make a meal. Even better, you can make your own creative versions with many extra vegetables or meat you like. Okay, let's start. Here's my version. I added bacon and fresh immature soybeans that you might have tested. This time guys, we will only use 1/4 cup of water to cook the rice. Dahil pag naluto na yung kamatis mamaya magsasabaw siya. So yun ang magdaragdag ng tubig to complete the cooking of rice. is done and it's ready to serve. You might like to tweak this recipe with your own preferred meats and vegetables, or skip the meat and turn it into a vegetarian dish. Ayan, lutong-luto na ang ating yummy and delicious whole tomato rice with bacon. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pong panonood ng ating bagong cooking recipe na na-share sa inyo sa araw na ito. At kung nagustuhan nyo at nag-enjoy kayo ng panonood, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Click the notification bell para updated po kayo sa next uploads of cooking videos na i-share ko sa inyo. Please share this video to a friends and family. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to stay healthy, to stay wealthy. Bye. God bless you. I'm Shekinah Princess 82. Bye.